How to fix AirDrop is not showing up on your iPhone. So if you're trying to send or receive files on your iPhone and your AirDrop is not appearing, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now the very first step is we need to go and open up the settings on your phone and then click on Wi-Fi from the list of options. Now make sure Wi-Fi is turned on like this and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection. You can then come back over to the previous window and click on Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled, and if you see the button that says allow new connections, go and select it like so. Now finally come back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on general, and then scroll down again to VPN and device management and click on this. Now make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. As you can see on the screen here, mine says not connected. Now once you've done this, you can head over to the file that you're trying to AirDrop, click on the share icon and press the AirDrop button. You can then check to see if your AirDrop is now appearing in the list. If it's still not working, head back over to the home screen on your phone. You can then swipe down on the screen and then go and search for AirDrop. Now click on AirDrop from the list of options, and this will take you over to your AirDrop settings. Now at the top, go and change this to everyone for 10 minutes, and also make sure use mobile data is turned on and enabled. And once you've done this, you can check again to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, there's one final solution. So come back over to the main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom and click on screen time. Now scroll down again to content and privacy restrictions and click on this. Make sure content and privacy restrictions are turned off. You can then head back over to the file that you're trying to send and your AirDrop should now be working. You also need to ensure that both of your devices have at least 20% battery charge. Now this is a requirement in order for AirDrop to work. So it's really as simple as that. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.